Welcome back guys and girls. In this episode we are going to learn user action pseudo class selectors. So let's have a look at these selectors. The first one is active pseudo class selector. Active user action pseudo class selector will target element when the user clicks to interact with them. So in this example I have got two paragraph element. To first one I have given a class of class 1. So I'm calling this class 1 and giving it active user action pseudo class. So let's have a look by previewing it in browser. So at the moment I have got two paragraphs with its content on my page. So what happens is that when I interact with the first paragraph, and what I have to do is I have to click and hold on the first paragraph. So when I click and hold on first paragraph, you see this is the active state that is being triggered, and it changes the font and font size of this paragraph and makes it bigger. So it is basically targeting the active state of this class. Active states essentially means when your mouse key is clicked. Okay, so another user action pseudo class selector is hover. So hover user action pseudo class selector will target element when the user mouse hovers over them. So here I have got an unordered list to which I have given a class of mylist, and I am referencing this mylist class and giving it a hover state. So I have got in the linked state I have got background of this color applied to it and a padding and margin and color applied to it, but when my mouse will hover on the list item, it will change the color, background color. So you can see unordered list here. When I hover my mouse on any of them, you can see the color change and the background change. So this is triggered using hover user action pseudo class. The third one is focus. The focus pseudo class selector will target the element that has focus in the document as the user interact with various things. So in this example I have got two input fields, one for the email and one for password, and on the focus event of our mouse we are changing its background color, and let's have a look at it in the browser. So I have got two input fields at the moment, nothing fancy about them. So when I interact with any of these input fields and I give focus to one of them, you can see the background color changes to them, as I'm referencing it using the focus pseudo class selector here and changing the background to this bluish color here. Okay, so that wraps up the user action pseudo class selectors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.